Hi, I'm Mr. Levier and I'm here at the London Zoo. That's right, London, UK. And I'm looking around at some of the beautiful displays and wonderful animals they have here at the zoo. So let's take a walk. Look up, way up. These are colobus monkeys, and they love to groom each other. This is an okapi, also known as a forest giraffe. They're related. Hey little meerkat, what you doing? Hey meerkat. Hello. Are you ever funny? Meerkats would be the most amazing security guards. Absolutely.
Hi there, my name is Paul. I'm a volunteer here at London Zoo. London Zoo is a conservation zoo run by ZSL, the Zoological Society of London. We're here in the rainforest. It's about 26 degrees temperature. And in here we've got mostly animals from South America, with one or two exceptions. So 3 different types of monkey. I think focusing directly in front of us, we've got the South American tamandur, from, as the name implies, South America.
Okay,
a little black goeldi monkey. And then at the very top we've got the Rodriguez flying foxes from the island of Rodriguez in the Indian Ocean. They're interlopers here, but simply because they're on the same latitude as the South American rainforests.
Here we have a golden-headed lion tamarin.
2-toed sloths.
In here?
In here.
Oh wow.
For one reason they seem to be very popular, and Mum just had a baby on the 1st of January, which was a big surprise for all of us. Well, not for the keepers, because they knew it was coming anyway, but yeah, so she's just round the corner. You'll get a shot of her in a minute.
Thank you, Paul, for the presentation. The main threat to the Amazon rainforest is illegal logging. Deforestation is a global issue. Here is a red-footed tortoise. This is a coppery titi monkey. Imagine these benches are made with 2,000 recycled plastic bottles. That's awesome. I'm in the lemur exhibit right now, so I'm going to see if I can find some lemurs in here. Ring-tailed lemurs are from Madagascar, and they stand out for their raccoon-like markings, black-rimmed eyes, and a tail with 13 to 14 alternating black and white bands. Unfortunately, some people keep ring-tailed lemurs as pets. Farmers destroy habitat by allowing livestock to overgraze and cutting down gallery forests to expand cropland, or to make charcoal by burning wood. This species is also hunted by humans for food. We need to protect this species. Mountain chicken frogs are very rare frogs. They're breeding them here at the zoo to be reintroduced back into their native habitat. There's a fungal disease that's affecting their survival. This is a Bactrian camel. They have 2 humps. The cottony sparrows are actually the same as the house sparrow we have in Canada. House sparrows are introduced in Canada and they're becoming rare in their native England. Asiatic lions are endangered and live in the Gir forests of India. How could you have a zoo without a penguin exhibit? There you go. Lots of species in here.
In the wild, you can find 18 different species and they all range in size. So the biggest is the emperor penguin. They stand at 4 foot tall, so very, very big. And it goes all the way down to the bottom of the scale.
Sea Life London Aquarium is home to over 500 different species, 3 floors, and tanks holding 2 million litres of water.